It is Yunalia again with another vlog. Yeah.
Hey everyone, this is Yunalia.
Hey. Hey everyone, this is Yunalia.
Hi.
Hello everyone, this is Yunalia. Hey.
Badass computer chair in the computer chair.
Computer chair. Anyways, I'm gonna sit here in the sun and get sunned. Oh, sun. Oh yes, sun. Mm. Hey guys. Big news, kind of. Our vacuum cleaner just blew up. Like, it smells so bad, oh my god. It's like burning flesh and gum and stuff. You know how you go to the dentist and they cut your gum? Or, you know, if it's if it's over a tooth, they're like, oh, it's not being brushed properly, they have to remove it. They remove it with a laser. I've had that done to me. So weird. Anyways, it's what it smells like right now, and it's just like making me feel sick. Oh, in the in the hallway, it was like so smoky, and it came. I can't go outside because it's so cold out here. It's God, I just want to go outside, but I can't. So it smells so bad. So anyway, I'm gonna get through the story. The maid is like, "Hey Jess, there's something wrong with your vacuum cleaner," and I'm just like, "What?" So I come out in the hallway, and it's like all smoky and everything, and I'm just like, what the hell happened? And the smell is just terrible. And she's like, oh no, your vacuum cleaner, you need a new one. And it's like, fucked up. So I'm like I take the dish thing, the tray thing out, and it's full, and I kind of like look up under them. I can't see if it's clogged or whatever, but then I like kind of lift it up, and the smell kind of like came out from the bottom, and I'm just like, ugh. So I put it back down, and I'm just like, here, hold this. And so we wrapped the cord, and I took it outside. I'm just like, no, no, it's not staying, no. So it's right there, died. Slowly died. It can smoke and stink and everything like that, I don't care. But it's not going to do that in the house. I ran around the house spraying Glade, this stuff. And this house smells a little bit better, but then like when you get, you know what, I'm gonna grab some more. This is bad. When you get upstairs, it's like really, really, really bad. Oh God, okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hi, Blade. I'm battling bad smells. Pardon me. I can't freaking make it work. God, that's so bad. Then we need more Glade. Like a lot. Oh. Okay. Okay. So, also there was a robber behind our house last night, around 11 or 12. And I heard the alarm go off, and like there's like several cop cars driving around, trying to find the people that broke in the house. I got up for about 3 hours, and I staked my house out, and I checked all the lower levels repeatedly, and I knew what doors could be opened and what doors could not, and which doors made sounds and which doors didn't. Mainly the lower level and the middle level, the living room and the downstairs. I staked out last night for about 3 hours. No one came. I had a knife in my back pocket, like one of the kitchen knives, like one of the turkey carving knives. And then I had a bat, and my small little black bat. I need to buy me an actual knife or a dagger or something. Yeah. Whatever. I don't know. Thank God for the alarm that went off. That kind of, I thought it was a car alarm at first, and then I noticed that I was like, well, no, that's not a car alarm at all. That's a house alarm. So yeah. What I'm gonna go do now is I'm gonna go get on my thick jacket, my big gray fluffy jacket. Guess I got my shoes on, but they're not tied yet. I feel like one of those little third graders. God, the smell. So, I'm gonna... My closet smells so nice. I'm gonna find... Oh no, the smell's coming in here now, no. I'm gonna find my big fluffy jacket. Those are my pants. I need to find my big fluffy gray jacket. Where the hell did it go? Oh my god. No. It's not it. It's somewhere in here. Or it might be in the other closet. I don't know. No. I'm gonna get my fluffy jacket on. And, I'm going to go to Office Depot up the street to get me another headset. Here's my fluffy jacket. Oh, hell yeah. There we go. Got it. Yes. And, I'm gonna get me another headset because my other one, has a really bad cord. And all sound has gone to the left side now, and I can't hear a damn thing. It feels so weird. I hate it. I hate that when it happens. So I'm gonna have to find me a better headset setup. The sound quality and the voice quality of this was great. But I would prefer a wireless because you don't have the cord problem issues. The other one, that wireless headset, I loved it, but I lost the charge cord. I don't have a fucking clue where the charge cord is. So I'm gonna have to get another headset. I hate to do it, but it's really needed for recording my Minecraft series and talking to Shadow and all the other people, and talking to people and friends and that special someone. Yeah. Anyways, hopefully I need to turn on some fans to get this smell out. It's gonna be so fucking cold in this house. Sorry, Blade, but the heater is on right now, so it should be okay. I just want to get the smell out of this house. Mom's going to die. She will seriously just die. She paid all that money, and this bad smells here, yada yada yada. Oh, she'll bitch about anything. So, I'm gonna go to Office Depot now, and I will be right back. So, bye-bye! Alright guys, I am back. I have gotten a gaming headset from Logitech. It is nice. Nice and padded. It's got a wire in it that I hate. But, it's so far pretty good. I think. The other one, which was a whole lot more expensive, was blue. And they only have red. So, well, it's okay. It's whatever. So, let us unbox this thingamawabba. Yeah, knife. I'll unbox it when I'm done, okay? I'm gonna hurt myself, I know I am, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have unboxed this finally. This thing has like 2 jacks. Mic and headphones. Oh. Cool. Okay, I've never had that before. Alright, cool. The cord is nylon. The power thing in it is nylon. I like how it's in this little thing. You can hold it all together and stuff. These things are awesome. They turn. Look at this. They turn. And they also fold out. And it's nice and padded. Whoops. I need to like put this stuff together. Oh, wow. Yeah, I made a very good investment. I love them. Oh, gosh. Yes. Yes, please. Okay. This is the moment of truth, everyone. I'm putting y'all down. Gotta put y'all down for this. The moment of truth. Oh, God. Da 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 da. Oh my god. It feels like I'm wearing, like, earmuffs. This is what I feel like I'm wearing. But, this is awesome. Like, oh, wow, it bends? Really? Oh shit. Awesome. I can barely hear myself speak right now. I don't even know if I'm really talking. All I hear is a sound. Just wow. This is awesome. I think I just got a text. Hang on. The headset is kind of heavy, but it's not too heavy. Ooh, I like them. I really do. It feels really, I like it. The padding on the top is really nice. Can't even tell it's there almost.